Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to make your Brave dark mode. Alright, so first up, go ahead and go to the top right, click on the 3 horizontal lines, and then here go ahead and click on settings. Now on the left panel, just go ahead and click on appearance. Okay, in here we have a theme. So just click on it. Now go ahead and select device default, dark right here, or light. Okay, click on dark and it will automatically save. So just go ahead and test it out, open up a new tab, and you're good to go. The second option is by using device default right here. Let's say your device default is dark mode. Okay, to change your device default to dark mode, right click on the blank space right here on your desktop. Now click on personalize. Now go ahead and go to the top, find settings, and just type down dark mode. Okay, as you can see, we have turn on dark mode for apps or turn on dark mode system wide. So just click on this option right here. Now go ahead and click on light and change it to dark. So when you go ahead and open up your browser right here, as you can see, the device default is now dark. That is it. That is how you make your Brave browser dark mode. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.